Matt. Welcome back, everybody. Thanks for tuning in. Today I have got my bow out, as you can see, and also today my neighbor Dave is getting his garage poured. So I apologize for the background noise. I hope you guys can't hear it. I'll try and tune it out in the video when I go back to editing. Anyway, let's get on with it. I've got the old Tactacam out, and I am going to throw it on the bow. It's a mount that I got from my Ion camera. I'm going to use this bracket on here on my old stabilizer, on my bee stinger. I'm going to see how that goes. You guys, hopefully you guys checked out the video I did with it on the Burnett Crossbow, and if you didn't, I'll have the link down below so you can take a look at that. So now I'm going to put it on my bow so I can get a feel for it, see how it reacts, you know, when it's shot. I have a feeling it's going to act just like the crossbow and pretty much just be stable. Of course, there's going to be a little bit of, you know, vibration just because. I think it should be okay. The only thing is, you know, I want to make sure that nothing surprises me when I go to take that shot at a deer. Camera comes flying off or, you know, whatever. That would be bad. So there it is, mounted on the old bee stinger for my lefty goofy footed bow. I think it looks pretty dang good. I'm gonna shoot my bow a couple times, 20 yards, and then I'm gonna start going out further and further yardage, and hopefully bring some of these videos to my channel so you guys can see what the Tactacam looks like from mounted on a stabilizer instead of in its little stabilizer that it came with, which is pretty nice. I gotta say, this is nice, but you know, I gotta have the balance with the sidebar and the vibration dampener that the bee stingers come with. That's just how I was practicing ever since I went to Arizona, and I don't even feel like messing with it or changing it. So I'm just going to leave everything as is, and maybe next year I'll work with this stabilizer housing at the Tactacam company. That means it's recording. Alright, got it on there, mounted. Scratches on it. I actually took it out last weekend for a bow hunt, but I haven't got to shoot it with it on there. I saw a doe and a buck. I got the buck on video, but like I said, I didn't get to shoot at it, so I don't know how it's going to react. So let's see what she does. So one press makes it solid, makes it go solid, and that's on pause. Well, unfortunately, I couldn't take that next shot. My neighbor's kids are out playing, so I don't want to ruin their good time outside. It is beautiful out here. If you watched some of my earlier videos before I went to Arizona, it was disgusting this summer. It is very enjoyable here in October. It is, by the way, October 17th, and I won't get out to the woods for another, I guess, 10 days. On another side note, a positive note, no more dump truck, no more beeping, backing up, and gravel being dumped. Hopefully. We'll see. I'm going to go grab that arrow and see what my neighbors' kids are doing. If they're going to stay out here for a while longer or if they're going to go in. Alright, let's shoot a couple more. Alright, some of y'all are probably like, dude, come on, let's get a tighter group than that at 20 yards. You can do better than that. Could, but I don't like breaking arrows and busting off nocturnal knocks. All the way over there is 60 yards. Shots. All right, I'm gonna climb this ladder stand and take a couple shots with the Tactacam and this camera and see how things look. Alright, up in the tree stand now. You can see my beautiful backyard and its incredibly awesome landscape and dead grass. But ignore that. Let's look at this. So 60 yards. Seems like it's a very long way away. It kind of is. Alright, so Tactacam, one press, turn it on, you get 2 vibrations, tells you that it's recording with a solid green going to a flashing green. So, throw that arrow in there. Not bad. It's a little back. You can kind of see that little glowing dot over there. Alright, let's give it another one. Let's use arrow number 3. 60 yards. Oop, got to turn the Tactacam on. Tactacam is, come on, you flashing? It's flashing. All right, here we go. Yeah, I think that one's in the exact same spot. Oh, maybe you guys saw that a little bit better than I did. So I'm shooting a little to the right today. I think it's because I'm sitting in this stand. I don't usually sit in tree stands and shoot. Ooh, number 3 is even further back. That's number 3. That's definitely guts. Oh, I need to practice at 60 a little bit more. Alright, so I thought about it a little bit. I'm like, I better do some middle of the road shooting with the Tactacam on the bow. It doesn't seem to be throwing the bow off at all, so that's good. And, you know, it's not affecting my shots. So I think I'm going to do a 30-yard set and pretty much call it a day. So here's that 30-yard. Boy, oh boy, I botched that second shot. And I rushed it. First, second, terrible. That's the rushed one. Third, that's the one I like the most. Because when deer hear that bow, I don't care where you live, they will duck. And of course, I left the Tactacam on, recording the sky. It's great. To edit that out later. Press and hold for like 5-6 seconds. And it's vibrating solid, and then the green light goes off. Well, got a little bit of practice in. Starting to get a little dark, and I got some other things I got to do today. I like the Tactacam. I like it a lot. It seems to be a lot better than the other one that I had with the fisheye. Yeah, it's not as far of a zoom as I'd like, but I mean, you really don't want too far because then you're going past a deer if they're, you know, real close, or you're just seeing fur. So anyway, hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.